Unibroy Brewers. Steven here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the steam condenser the right way. So what I have here is our Unibroy kettle and a steam condenser assembly attached. If you want to actually learn how to put this together, we've created a video, you can check it out. So I created our 10-gallon, 20 and 30-gallon kettles the same. They come in a 4-port and a 6-port configuration, and they all have a port at the top. And the reason that I put a port at the top of our kettles is so that we can attach various accessories, you know, from whirlpool arms to the steam condenser to using it as a mash tun. And so you could put a, you can put a sparge arm, or you could put a discharge arm on it, for recirculating mash. Lots of purposes for the upper port, and one of the purposes here is this steam condenser assembly. So this is the side mount assembly. It comes with the 90, it's got the T, it's got all the fittings, it's got the spray tip in the inside. And you can see here, we are approaching boil. We're not quite there, but we're already creating a lot of steam, and we don't really want to be creating steam, right? Especially if you don't have a hood fan. And so let's say you're in a setup, you want to be able to brew, you just don't know how you're going to do it. You want to do it indoors, you want to be comfortable, you want to be warm. Just put a lid on the kettle and attach the steam condenser. Now, I haven't turned the steam condenser on, so I just want to show you the spray tip comes in this side. You want to have it coming down at an angle. Obviously, it's got to be off to the side enough so that you can still operate your butterfly valve. Here is the quick disconnect attached to the drain. And just have a look here. I've got a bucket, a 5-gallon pail underneath, and that's going to capture most of the steam from this setup. I've also got the quick disconnect attached to the spray tip. And if you want to walk with me over here, I have it attached to the faucet. So in order to make this work, what I want to do is I want to introduce enough liquid into the spray tip so that it doesn't, so that it cools the steam down. Now, steam is it's a vapor. It's above 100 Celsius. And as soon as you add a little bit of cold liquid to the steam, it turns it back into water and it condenses the steam. That's what condensation is. When you cool it just below 100, and that's all you need to do. So you don't have to run a lot of water into this, because you don't want to fill that pail, and you don't want to throw, especially these days, we're paying for water, it's a precious resource. You don't want to throw the water away unless you need to. So what you want to do is just turn on the faucet enough that you can hear a trickle. Now that, see how, okay, now let's just wait, it's coming. See that trickle? That is enough. That's definitely enough liquid going through. It might even be too much. If you could make it less liquid, it would be enough to make the steam condenser work. You don't need any fancy clamps. See, look at that steam come out. Close it up, no more steam. Isn't that amazing? Works. You don't need any fancy clamps. You don't need a special $300 lid from somebody else. All you need is our simple steam condenser assembly, and it's gonna work marvels. It works wonders. And it's pretty good. It's gonna take a long time to fill this bucket up, I can promise you that. Now, again, one thing you wanna make sure is that your boil line isn't too high, right? You don't want to have the boil on maximum. I've got it on 100, and it's because I want to demonstrate the effectiveness of the steam condenser, but you really don't need to have it, have the boil be that vigorous. You're going to want to turn the boil down more. Now, you also need to remember you're going to have less boil off, because the steam's going out this 1.5-inch tube, so you're going to have a little bit less boil off, that's for sure. So just keep in mind, you can adjust your formulations for that, but I can put my hand around here. Yes, I can feel the heat, but no steam. Works great. Make sure your water line's a little lower. and you're good to go. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like what you see, please subscribe, share it. And if you've got video ideas for us, please put them underneath in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.